Hey everybody, Haley here. I'm here to talk to you today about a product that has saved my hair and my scalp. And that is this Not Your Mother's Activated Charcoal, Bamboo, and Purple Moonstone Scalp Scrub. So before I get into this, let's just do a little back talk here. So probably about a month ago, I just started getting a really seriously itchy scalp, and it was flaking too. And I've never really had a problem with dander before, so I figured it probably not going to be dander. You know, I was like, maybe my skin's just dry. Maybe I'm having an allergic reaction to something that I'm using on my scalp. I don't know. And I noticed that it kind of started when I went to a new hairstylist and she used a shampoo on me and it just got really, really itchy. And ever since then, it's like, has not stopped. But it is winter. When my skin gets really dry, it does itch and flake a lot. So I think my scalp is just really, really dry. So I was in the market to find a product that would help my dry, itchy, flaky scalp. And I came across this product at Ulta, and I will link the link down here below. But I wasn't really looking for something that would treat dander because I figured that really wasn't the problem. So this seemed to do the trick. And oh my gosh, this stuff is amazing, you guys. This saved my scalp. So what it does is it is an exfoliant for your scalp. So it's like a jelly sort of material with little black and white exfoliants in it. I don't know exactly what they are, but it has black and white exfoliants in it. So you get your hair wet, you scoop it out, scrub it into your scalp for like 1 to 2 minutes before you shampoo and condition your hair like normal. So it's just like a little pre-wash kind of a thing. You don't have to use any specific, you know, products afterwards. It says to use with this line of shampoos and conditioners as well, but I don't have those, so I've been using it with everything else, and it works great. And this just refreshes your scalp to a whole new level. Not only did it completely stop my itchy scalp, my flaky scalp, it just made my hair look brand new, if that makes sense, because it also removes buildup from products in your hair. So when I am done washing, it makes it look like the cleanest hair I have ever had in my life. So this, I cannot say enough good things about this. So it did stop the itching of the scalp, it did stop the flakiness of the scalp, and that lasted probably about a week and a half. And then this is only the second time I've used this, and I used it again 2 days ago, and I haven't had a problem since. So I mean, if you are struggling with that winter dry itchy scalp, I would highly, highly, highly suggest this. You know, just like we exfoliate our face and our bodies, we need to exfoliate our scalp too, and this is the product to do it with. Let me tell you just a little bit more about this. It has bamboo, activated charcoal, and purple moonstone. Obviously, that's not a real thing, but I think that's what they mean when they talk about the exfoliants. So it says a pre-wash, gentle exfoliant made with natural jojoba wax beads that work to detoxify and cleanse the scalp while absorbing the impurities for a balanced pH on your scalp. And that could have been my problem too. You never know. 98% naturally derived ingredients. There's no sulfates, which I'm allergic to, so that also could have been something that irritated my scalp. No silicones, no parabens, no dyes, no gluten, and no phthalates. Which is out surprisingly easy when you do try to wash it out, and it leaves it, you know, silky smooth. It almost feels like a mask or a treatment for your hair when you use it. The only thing I will say that I don't really like about it, and this is some of the complaints that I've heard, is that no matter how much you try to get these little black and white beads out of your hair, they are still there after your hair is dry. And I found that for myself. It doesn't really bother me that much, but like I said, after looking through reviews, this is the main complaint that I've seen, is that it does leave some of these little beads behind. And I mean, I sat there and I washed this stuff out of my hair for a good 5 minutes, and I still had stuff in my hair that I was picking out. Like I said, it doesn't bother me, but if that bothers you, then you may want to look into a different product. But I wouldn't recommend it. Then that, and it smells so good. I can't even really describe it. It's just good. Like, I don't really know. I can't put my finger on it, but I'm in love with this. I would highly suggest you try it for $9 at Ulta. This will save your hair and save your scalp.